and Arellano. Kala natin mapuwa na yun sa fourth set. Kinayod ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Oh, scramble. Ming goes to the other side. So Netura scores her second point.
Netura has been on a roll, targeting all of the corners.
In the league, Letran Lady Knights unleashing heavy serves. Another ace, but that one came from Estrelier. Meantime, Netura, another one for Judel.
Great cross-court hit by Netura. Iba yung power ng mga palo ni Netura today.
Maganda. Ito na sila, creating a mini run here. Gia, still a nice pass to Estrelier. Judel, bumawi! Yeah, look at this. Netura saw red when she only had one player in 123. Joan with a nice serve. Ito yung back set. Papunta kay Judel Netura. Still unstoppable in the first. And now Letran is at set point.
Judel Netura is leading their off.
Then, at saka
Ganda.
unpredictable yung mga palo.
Ang ganda ng space niya sa bola.
Yeah. Oh, Netura!
Wow!
Oh, with the exclamation point here in the first set. 9 points for Judel. And she ends set number 1 for Letran. Sila yung humahabol. They have to take advantage of this opportunity. It's not gonna be easy. It's against the number 1 team, but they gotta fight.
And these both teams, maganda yung...
Di sila nakasarado ni Bio, pero Duguna was enough to deny the attempt. Sari! A dig by Jonah Dolorito. Ito yung bigay. Netura!
And another one. Another cross-court hit. Very sharp.
That ends.
Ang lakas talaga ng palo
grabe.
niya. Diyan.
Just riding the hot hand dito sa third set natin. They go to Duguna. That one coming off the opposite side. Mochilias now has the open. Netura. Hold on. Judel ties it up. There's a switch up in the front line of LPU. But Netura stays on her spot. Crucial point. 20 all here in the third.
Pagkakuha mo, walang ganun.